And tonight, we're getting our first extensive look at the tornado damage there in Monroe County.
An EF1 hit the southwestern part of the county, damaging several homes and barns. Fox 59's Max Lewis shows us the damage and the recovery that's happening now.
Roofers have been staying busy at this home and others in Monroe County after that EF1 tornado tore through this area, packing winds up to 100 miles an hour.
Some of the homes that I saw had parts of the roof kind of peeled back on them a little bit. And of course, other property damage, windows busted out.
The twister took a bite out of the roof of this home along South Rockport Road in the Kirksville area. The family didn't want to go on camera, but told us they sheltered in the basement as the tornado passed by.
Several barns took a lot of heavy damage, roofs off, some of them were partially collapsed.
Fire officials say around a dozen structures were damaged in this rural area. The trees got their fair share as well, with entire patches flattened. That home and barn is at the end of the tornado's path. Before it hit those, it came right through Jason Cox's yard and caused plenty of damage here as well.
Right there's the kitchen, and we were sitting in the kitchen looking out those windows, and the tornado came from right over there.
Cox's roof took the brunt of the damage, now tarped and waiting to be repaired. His wraparound porch is lying in pieces in the yard, and debris from their home and others is everywhere.
We were in the basement, and the basement doors blew open, okay? And all the furniture and everything got sucked to the middle of the house.
He says insurance adjusters are so slammed they won't be here for several more days. In the meantime, they're cleaning up what they can.
It's pretty surreal.
Yeah.
You know, we just kind of taking it one day at a time right now.
Emergency management officials say there were no serious injuries here. Like others across the state caught in the storm zone, officials say that's all that matters.
We always tell people that, you know, a home can be rebuilt, the property stuff can be rebuilt, the lives can't.
In Monroe County, Max Lewis, Fox 59 News.